नमस्कार दोस्तों, इनकम टैक्स अपडेट में आपका स्वागत है। आज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस ने एक प्रेस रिलीज में इनकम टैक्स के रेट के बारे में बताते हुए कहा कि टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट ने एनसीआर, हरियाणा एंड वेस्ट बंगाल में एक इंपोर्टर और ट्रेडर्स पे रेट डाला, जिसमें लार्ज स्केल अंडर इनवॉइसिंग ऑफ द इंपोर्ट्स रिवील हुआ। आइए देखते हैं कि प्रेस रिलीज में क्या कहा गया है। टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट कैरिड आउट सर्च एंड ऑपरेशन ऑन इंपोर्टर एंड ट्रेडर ऑफ लैपटॉप, मोबाइल्स, फोन एंड पेरिफेरल पार्ट्स। सर्च ऑपरेशन 10 अक्टूबर 2021 को कैरिड आउट कमेंस हुआ था एंड एनसीआर, हरियाणा एंड वेस्ट बंगाल के एरिया में इसको किया गया। ड्यूरिंग कोर्स ऑफ द सर्च, सेवरल incriminating document, diaries, digital evidence have been found which reveal that the group is entrenched into large scale under invoicing and wrongful declaration of the goods imported by it. Large number of the evidence indicating unrecorded transaction, unaccounted investment in properties, bogus loans taken, etc. have been gathered. मोडस ऑपरेंडी जो इस सर्च ऑपरेशन का था, इन्वॉल्व्स इंपोर्ट ऑफ द गुड्स इन द नेम ऑफ द सेल एंटिटीज एट अंडर वैल्यूड एंड wrongful declaration of the description of goods imported with an intent to evade custom duty. Upon clearance at ports, such goods have been found to be distributed throughout India by way of out of books cash transaction. This aspect has been fortified with searching one of the container as Kolkata port, where the bill of the lading declared goods as HDMI cable valued 3.8 lakh. However, on desealing and searching the same, it has been revealed that the actual goods imported are high value items like laptop, mobile phone, etc., which are valued at 64 crore. The evidence found and seized during the course of the search reveal payment for under invoicing goods to the foreign consignor have been made through the Hawala channels. Almost the entire business has been found to be run through such modus operandi. The value of the imports declared at the port of the entry by the use of such sale entities in the past 3 years is about 20 crore. It is estimated that actual value during the period could be more than 2,000 crore given the scale of the massive undervaluation detected. The wealth so generated has been used for acquisition of high value immovable properties, disguising of cash introduced in the form of bogus rental income and bogus unsecured loans and deposit in foreign bank account. During the course of the search, unaccounted cash of 2.75 crore has been seized. Further investigation are in progress. Thank you so much for watching this update.